Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer chargeback disputes workflow using PayPal Resolution Center, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Resolution Center. In the Resolution Center, find the tab labeled Report a Problem. Click on Report a Problem to view your recent transactions. Locate the transaction related to the chargeback dispute you need to address. Click on the transaction to access its details. You will see options to choose the reason for the dispute. Select the reason that best fits the situation. Follow the prompts to submit your dispute response. Provide any required information to support your claim. Upload relevant documents if necessary by clicking on the Upload button. Make sure all information is accurate and complete. After filling in the necessary details, review your submission. Once everything is correct, click Submit. You will receive a confirmation notification acknowledging your submission. This may take some time to process, so be patient. You can check the status of your dispute in the Resolution Center. If further action is required, PayPal will notify you via email. Keep all communications polite and professional to ensure a smooth process. Prepare for potential follow-ups or requests for more information. Once resolved, review the outcome in the Resolution Center. This will help you understand the final decision on your chargeback dispute. Document lessons learned for future reference. You now have a clear workflow for managing chargeback disputes on PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.